Welcome to Kia of Everett. My name is Sol, and I want to show you around what makes my home such a simple, easy, fun place. Let's go! These humans are always on the phone. I never know who they're talking to, but they always end up smiling and having fun. I like to sit and wait for a treat from them, since they make being here fun. Thanks! Let me show you my favorite place here next. This is the department I manage. It's called the treat room. I make sure everyone fills out all of the treat forms properly to ensure all of our customers have a simple experience. Once my team is done with their paperwork, they give it to me for the final paw of approval. The final stop I want to show you is my office. Sometimes I nap here, sometimes I work, but mostly nap. Don't tell anyone. Sometimes people want to see my office and drive it around, which can throw off my rhythm, but it's great to see them having fun. Well, that wraps up what makes my home so great. Thanks for following along, and I hope to meet you soon.